Good day, everyone. I'm Fred, and welcome to our virtual training. Our virtual training is all about how to record an offline activity in the gradebook. Offline activity, for example, you have reporting in your class, and then you have a class participation component. So that's example of an online activity. How to record that one to our My Soul Gradebook. So let's open now our virtual classroom. So here is my sample virtual class. And then I will record now my offline activity. For example, I will create an offline activity. The name is reporting. So in order to do that, you must click the gear icon in your virtual classroom that pertains to the course settings, and then kindly click the gradebook setup. So once clicked, you will be redirected to gradebook setup, and then by default you have the sub tab setup. So here, this is the structure of your gradebook. So we will just add a particular activity that is reporting. So how to add now the offline activity? Term is called grade item. Is classroom participation, reporting, and so on. So here I will just click the add grade item. So this pertains to the offline activity made by the teacher. Kindly click that button. And then what's the name of that activity of offline activity? So for example, reporting. So I will properly label it. So first quarter, reporting. So specify now the maximum grade. So for example, we have 50 is the maximum grade. And then we must click the show more, and then the grade display type, it should be default real. And then you scroll down, and then the parent category. So let's change under the parent category, change the grade category. So to what particular component that this particular offline activity belongs. So it belongs to the first quarter performance task, for example. So kindly click that component. So again, as a recap, you can scroll up. So we made a grade item. Then the offline activity name is first quarter reporting. And then we have the maximum grade of 50. And then grade display type is default real. And then we must change the grade category to what particular component that this activity belongs. And then if you're done with that, so kindly click the Save Changes button. So it will recalculate the grades, and then kindly click Continue. So by default, this is under a first quarter performance task, and then first quarter reporting. Okay. So how to input now the scores? So remember that your first quarter reporting, this is 50. This is the highest possible score is 50. So you must input the reporting grade to the view tab. So click the view tab. So in clicking the view tab, we must consider it uh, to go to the sub-tab of single view. Okay, click the single view and then now select your grade item name. So for example, okay, I have here the first quarter reporting. So kindly click that grade item and then automatically it will now generate the name of the students. So here you need to transfer the score from, for example, if you are the instructor or teacher, you list down the scores in a piece of paper. So in here you will just simply transfer the score in our grade book. So for example, this particular student got 50, and then we have 45, then 50, then example 50. So you need to input now the scores coming, uh, referring to your specific piece of paper or notebook. So you need to input your scores. So for example here, you need to input. So imagine if you have if you have 40 students, so you need to input individually or manually. And then once you're done, click the perform bulk insert, and then you click the save button. Okay, and then click continue. So you're done. Okay, so you're done inputting your grades. So now if you want to see the effect, so you click the grader report. Click the grader report and then you scroll down, and then you can uh, horizontal scroll if you want to see the score of the reporting. So here, this is the first quarter, and then this is the score of the reporting for the first quarter. And then if you want to edit again, if you want to modify the scores of the students, then you can just simply click the pencil icon. Okay, this pertains to the single view. Okay, if you click that pencil icon, it will go back to this page. And then if you want to modify, then kindly click the grade and then you change the grade. Then if you're done, then again save button. Okay, and then continue. So basically, that is how you record an offline activity. Example, you have you have the you have the reporting as your offline activity, or the class participation activity. So see you on the next virtual training. So thank you very much for watching this.